Hey guys, we're here with Driftwood Builders and Roofing. Today we're at a quick bridge repair in South Austin. We're gonna be taking off all the bad shingles. Raccoon got into here, messed up the shingles in this area, and we were able to put a piece of flashing for the meantime until we could schedule the repair. Today we are here to make the repair, and we're just gonna put shingles again and put a piece of ice and water to prevent the raccoons from going in and doing the same damage again.